Is loneliness, fear of rejection, body shame, and lack of self-assurance keeping you from the fullest expression of your sexual self? Underneath all that bullshit, you know you are a sensual, potently erotic person, but it's hidden by self-doubt and limiting beliefs that you don't even know you have. Imagine being confident to flirt with anyone, finding your own style of magic, asking for a date or kiss, and getting it, being able to say no with ease, and feeling bold, sexy, and empowered. If you said yes to any of these questions and believe you could use some sexual confidence, well, Celium is here to help. Confidence is sexy, there's no doubt about it, but sexual confidence is also a very learnable set of skills and practices. We've created an 8-week life-changing course designed for folks that want practices to increase confidence in your sexuality, skills for erotic resilience, skills to talk more comfortably about sex, to understand the role of shame and have tools to overcome it, and to be able to articulate the value of play and practice with tools for both. If you're ready to flirt unabashedly and ready to let that cute person know you think they're cute, we've got the course to take your confidence from 0 to 100 in 8 weeks. To begin your life-changing journey, I have one question for you. How erotically confident are you right now? Take the quiz at wellcelium.org/getconfident to find out.